Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Takara Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy Six-Gun, Autobot Six-Gun. Now this one is WFC-S22. So it's the 22 one or the 27 one, in the Transformers War for Cybertron WTF Siege as, lineup type trilogy. 16 steps to transform him. He breaks apart into guns. Lots of little armor bits and guns. He is a deluxe class fitter. What else about it? Like I said, so Autobots are going to have these new symbols on there. So obviously they're going to have, the standard Autobot symbol on the bots and then, on the character. But then you see this little symbol over here? Right in there. That little symbol right there is going to be their, I guess, Cybertronian Autobot symbol. Just like if you bought a Decepticon, they're going to have a different symbol. Like, let's see here. If I have some. Aha! Here we go. That was these two. This one's a Decepticon, this one's an Autobot. But you can see if it kind of looks like a little spaceship, or actually more like a little trident, it's going to be Autobot. And if it looks like a spaceship, NASA type of design, it's going to be a Decepticon. At least that's how I'm taking it with the WFC-S lineup. That, those are going to be their Cybertronian forms of their factions, That's just what I'm throwing out is. So, yeah. I love the artwork on the side of the box that they're doing. But I don't know if you could tell, and you probably can't tell. But along the side of the box, like, I don't know, maybe you could tell a little bit on this one. Like, right there, there's something on the box. Like, if we show it right about there, you can see that, not the little white spot that's coming on, because, it's reflecting off the box, reflecting off the camera lens. But, like, right about there and stuff. See how it kind of looks like something's weird on the box that sways? Yeah. Apparently Hasbro or Takara Tomy, I'm going to say Hasbro because Hasbro has come out with a lot of stupid ideas and stuff. But on the side of the box, there's a secret hidden Cybertronian language code on the side of the box. Now the only way to understand this code and to read it and figure out what Cybertronian letter refers to the actual human English alphabet letters and stuff, is you have to actually go out and get a freaking black light. That's why you have to have a black light. Can't be none of